What's going on, Gang-a-Lang? We're opening a Spider-Man Magic the Gathering collector booster. This is an epic find. Alright, let's pop this bad boy open, if it will come open. Holy cannoli. They don't make these things easy, do they? Alright. Starting off with some food as the token. Double-sided into the spider. Alright. Unstable Experiment. Scout the city. Spider bot. Dang, I'm not messing with the spider bots. Wild Pack Squad. Suburban Sanctuary. Tombstone, like that. Spider-Man India, that's fun. Flash. And the Raging Goblinoids. Land, and I think this is where we step up into the rare territory. Lady Octopus, alright. Another rare being Doc Ock's Tentacles with the borderless finish on it. Nice. Another rare coming in at Shadow of the Goblin. Another borderless. Doesn't look terrible. Mythic. Oh man, that looks sweet. Silk Guard. That's nice. The Spot. Oh man. Love the art on that. That is so nice. Pretty epic unboxing. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, guys.